Okay, so you wonder sometimes when you see a lot of police cars or police activity that you kind of wonder what the heck happened, what's going on. Well, I'm actually walking along Brendo Street, which is close to my house. It's actually a block up from where I live. It's between 8th and 7th Street. And back on June 2nd, 2002, there was an incident that involved a police shooting. So here's the location where it took place. I guess some neighbors were complaining about a guy that was doing graffiti, tagging, and he had a handgun and he was pointing at students. I'm going to show you the clip that was posted by the LAPD's body camera. But this is where it took place.
Of an assault with a deadly weapon suspect armed with a handgun in the 700 block of South Brendo Street. The suspect had reportedly been spray painting gang graffiti in the area and pointing his gun at school children who were walking by.
Yo, stop right there, both of you. Stop!
As the officers arrived in the area of the radio call, they saw a person matching the description of the suspect. The officers immediately exited their police vehicle to contact the suspect. However, the suspect ran away.
Stop! Hey!
As officers gave chase, the suspect removed a handgun from his waistband, pointed it in the direction of the officers, and an officer-involved shooting occurred.
Stop!
That suspect was later identified as Marvin Kua.
Put out the help call! Stop! Lift your hands!
Following the officer-involved shooting, Kua continued running toward a nearby shopping center parking lot where he ultimately collapsed to the ground.
Get his other hand. The gun is right under him. Yeah.
Once Kua was no longer a threat, officers took him into custody and requested a rescue ambulance. While waiting for the rescue ambulance, officers attempted to render aid by performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation, also known as CPR, until paramedics arrived. Kua was struck by a single round of gunfire. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to the scene and determined Kua deceased. Investigators recovered Kua's semi-automatic pistol and a loaded magazine at scene and booked it as evidence. Marvin Kua was a 24-year-old resident of Los Angeles.